All right, welcome to Unit 3. This is 3.0, Graphing Lines. So we're going to be graphing from slope-intercept form like we've done in the past. This is just a refresher, so I'm going to go fairly quickly. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M tells you how to move. B tells you where to begin on the y-axis. So y equals x plus 5. This means we begin, and then our m is that number in front of the x, which is 1. And we can turn it into a fraction 1 over 1. So our b is at positive 5, and then our slope is positive 1. So up 1, right 1, or we can go down 1 and left 1. Because we want to be going uphill from left to right. Okay, example 2, our beginning point is at -3. Our slope is 2, so that means up 2, right 1. Or down 2 and left 1. Because we want to go uphill from left to right. X equals -4. This is a special case. This is a horizontal line. No, it's not. It's a vertical line. Sorry. Okay, it's a vertical line through X is -4, so it's everywhere X would be -4, which means it doesn't go through the y-axis at all. Number 4, we begin at positive 2. Our slope is 3/4, so up 3, right 4. Or you can go down 3, left 4. Y equals 2. This is a horizontal line. Through 2 on our y-axis. And then on number 6, we begin at 3. And our slope, we could write 0.5 is -1/2. So that means we're going to go down 1 and right 2. So the top number tells us how far to go up and down. The bottom number tells us how far to go over left and right. Okay, so hopefully you're remembering that. It's a little trickier when we don't have slope-intercept form. So again, we want to get the form y equals mx plus b. So that means we have to do a little bit of solving. So in this case, we would subtract the 2x. So we would get -x minus 2, making our intercept at -2 and our slope -2 over 1. So down 2 and then right 1. Or we can go up 2 and left 1, because we just need to move negative in one of the directions, because there's only one negative sign. So we're going to move our x. We get -2y equals -3x plus 6. We have to get our y alone, so we're going to divide everything by -2. So then y would equal positive 3/2 x minus 3. So we begin at -3. Our slope is 3/2. It's positive, so up 3, right 2. Or we can go down 3 and left 2, which are both negatives. So a negative divided by a negative is a positive. And that's why we can move down and left when doing a positive slope. All right, all we have to do is divide by 3 on this one. Y equals 2/3 x. Plus 0. We don't usually write the plus 0, but sometimes it's helpful for us to remember as we are trying to get the intercept. So it's positive again, up 2, right 3. We're down 2, left 3. And again, we connect the dots. Okay. This one's in a little bit different form. We're going to distribute. So we get y plus 4 is equal to 5/2 x plus 5. Then we'll subtract 4. Y equals 5/2 x plus 1. So we begin at positive 1. Our slope is 5/2, so up 5, right 2. Or down 5, left 2. And just do your best to get straight lines. You can use a ruler if you want to. But this is just a general sketch. So when we distribute that -1/2, we get -1/2 x minus 2. We're going to add the 5. So y is equal to -1/2 x plus 3. So we start at +3, and then our slope is -1/2. So that means down 1, right 2, or up 1 and left 2. And this one, I'm going to flip it over the equal sign. So I have 2x minus 3y equals 12. That way my y is going to be on the side that I want it to. Then I'm going to subtract the 2x. So I get -3y equals -2x plus 12. Divide everything by -3 to get my y by itself. So y is equal to, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so 2/3 x. And then a positive divided by a negative is a negative, so -4. So we begin at -4, our slope is 2/3, up to right 3. And down to left 3 will get us the line that we need. All right, good luck.